Hey, welcome to Diamonds and Bills. So on this video, I'm going to do a quarantine birthday party decorations haul, I guess what you could call it. It's for me. My birthday is December 10th, so I may upload this the actual day of my birthday, or I may upload it the 2 days before my birthday, depending on how I go about things. But before I get into it, I just want to tell you, don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram. It is Diamonds and Bills. And don't forget to go to my Facebook page and like it at Diamonds and Bills. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like, share, tell a friend, tell a friend. And let's get into it. So, I am a Sagittarius. Welcome to Sagittarius season. And I just wanted to show you guys, like, stuff that I'm doing at our house with my parents and I, along with my dog, to celebrate my birthday. I wanted to have some friends over, but the cases are rising here in Florida, and I'm just, I'd rather be safe than sorry. Just as me personally. So let's get into it. Okay, so first things first is the whole theme is gonna be the whole theme is gonna be gold and white. Everybody knows me, I love gold. Like, I really love gold. All my accessories are usually gold. So let's get into it. So first things first, I'm definitely gonna put all the description of all the items in the bottom, so don't even sweat it. I'm definitely gonna do that. So first things first is I got these number candles. I wanted a bigger one, but I don't know where I could find them, so I saw these two. So yes, I'm gonna be 28. A lot of people tell me I don't look my age. Many tell me I look younger. I guess this is the braces, or I don't know. But here it looks. So it looks like this. The glare. Okay, so these are the little bulbs right here, and in the back you put batteries in it. So let's see what kind of batteries you put in it. So you put AA batteries in the back, and then you just turn it on and they light up. So I was thinking that these should go like on the table. I want to do like a little bit of pictures here and there with them, so I can show you guys to see how it looks. It makes no sense to me opening number 8, because number 8 is just like number 2. So yeah. So next is these balloons. So these are gold and white balloons, and then clear balloons with gold confetti in them. And it actually comes with a ribbon as well. And these are 60. So it's gold confetti white balloons, 60 pieces. So there's 60 of them. We have this inflatable, not inflatable, we have this portable, it's not a helium, but it's like a pump, electric pump, and I got it for like $20 off Amazon. So you know what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna include it at the bottom as well. So if you guys like to purchase that, you guys can go right ahead and purchase it. But it's the easiest way to blow up balloons. It's not like the helium one, but trust me, it's like it's good. So this is it. And then it's this happy 28th birthday banner. It's in gold. Let me show you guys how it looks. So it comes with a ribbon. It's not pre-made. I thought it was pre-made, but it's not. And it has like these on it. I was about to say not 21. I forgot this is the eye. Oh my gosh, I'm so silly. Yeah, so it has like all the letters on it. I hope it has all the letters. And it comes with a heart as well. So it has a heart. So I'm guessing the heart goes at the end. And then you put, yeah, happy 28th birthday. So here's the ribbon. So I'm just going to pop it in. I'm not doing that. And then, hold on. I don't want to put the box in my bag. Because it's the Amazon box, I want to be big. Okay, so this is the happy birthday banner, and you know me, I'm always opening these banners. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna open it for you guys to see it, because I truly don't know how to put it back, and I hate when I open them. So what I'm gonna do is that I am gonna do like a short video of how I spent my 20th birthday. So I'm definitely gonna show the backdrop for you guys, but I'm gonna definitely still put on the bottom the link. And it says, I think it says happy birthday to me or something like that, because I wanted one that said happy 28th birthday, but it had a different pattern design. I was like, I don't I don't want it. So it was like a different color and all this stuff. Like, you know what, I don't want it, so it's okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like a short vlog of my birthday, just to show you guys like how I spent my 20th birthday quarantine. I was hoping that, you know, the quarantine would have, like, we would have been good by the end of this year, and I could have got even maybe once. I went to go to New York to spend it with my other family members, celebrate my birthday and Christmas, but that didn't go as planned. It's always next year, God's willing. Okay, so that's it. Girl, I got off traffic. I got off topic. I got off traffic. Oh my gosh, it's Monday. So wait. First is first. I'm gonna show you guys this box. So this is the box. It's like a party box, and it includes everything in it. It's a 24 set piece paper dinnerware, and it's gold and white, all the stuff. So it's so hard to find like stuff with table for 4, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, you know what, might as well. So this is a tablecloth. It is 54 by 108 inches, and it's reusable, and it's like, so the good thing about it is like white with the little circle, so it's like the confetti, which is dope. So that's that. And then these napkins that say celebrate. And then here are the spoons, the forks, and the knives. My goodness. And then it comes with these cups that said, they said celebrate as well, just as like the napkins. And then we got, so these are like we'll probably call it like the dessert plates or the cups or something. Cups, the dessert plates or cake plates. Oh my gosh, it's Monday. You know when, like, cause you know I just got out of Thanksgiving break, and it's like sometimes when you go back into work and like the Monday, it's like your brain is like, what day it is? Like, it's probably just me. And then they have the dinner plates. It says celebrate as well. They feel very sturdy. Like, it feels like the Glad ones. And then can't forget the paper straws. They're golden white as well. I don't care anybody say, these paper straws are always cute. Like, they're always cute. You gotta be very, very careful with them, because, you know, when you leave them in a drink, after a while, they definitely tend to, you know, it loses its, what's the color again? That it gets papery, if that makes sense. Papery. I'm so silly. Okay. Yeah, so this was all that I had for my birthday little celebration haul. It's not crazy, not too much. Just, you know, just little stuff that I'm definitely gonna show you guys, like how we decorate for my birthday and so forth. So yeah, so you guys could, you know, get ideas. So maybe your birthday's coming up, or you have somebody that's close to you, family member, relative, cousin, well, that's part of relative, duh, friend, somebody that you live with that you want to celebrate their birthday, even though it's during quarantine. I know how it could be. So yeah, that's all for my video. And last but not least, I am now a brand ambassador for IC Preston, I think it's Preston or Pristine. I'm gonna put at the top, so it's IC Pristine. I am now a brand ambassador, so I got some stuff from them, so I'm definitely gonna, like, once I get it, I'm gonna share with you guys, share reviews, so you guys can get an idea, and I have a code to give you guys as well. Don't forget. And second, these lashes, I'm so sorry, these are the salted caramel. So sometimes you see me with the butterscotch, but today I have the salted caramel in. And again, that's from my dearest friend Shanae. She has her own lash line. It's called Savory Cosmetics, and you can follow her on Instagram at Savory Cosmetics, and then you can follow her on you can actually go to her website to purchase at shopsavorycosmetics.com. Yeah, and don't forget to follow my Instagram page, it's Diamonds and Bills, my Facebook, Diamonds and Bills, my blog page as well is diamondsandbillsblog.com. I have a vision board right here. That's my vision board that I did. I look at myself every morning. I'm like, this is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to strive to do. So this vision board, I actually did tips on how to make your vision board. And I provide other tips, relationship topics, just different stuff on my blog. It's more personal than how my YouTube is right now. So yeah, so give it a shot if you want to look. You can subscribe to it as well. And sometimes I send like newsletter of any coupons that I get from Pretty Little Thing and AliExpress, because I do have an affiliate program with them as well. And that's it for my video. Thank you so much for my video. I hope that you like, subscribe, tell a friend, and thank you so much, and stay blessed. Bye.